I'm about to show you how to download and install Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 on PC. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do is open Steam, or you can download it for free on any browser if you don't have it already. And once you open it, you need to search for Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 right here, and after that you will see the option to get the gold edition or the normal edition. So just add it to your card, go to view my card, and after that you will need to fill in your payment method information right here. And once you buy it, you need to go to your library and the game will appear here. So you just need to click it and click install, and this will bring you to this page where you will see all the details of the installation, and after that you will have your game installed and ready to play. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.